Welcome to our video guide on managing summary sale reports. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of utilizing the summary report module. Discover how to seamlessly access insightful sales summaries and optimize your decision-making process. Let's dive into the world of efficient data management and enhance your business analysis capabilities. Begin by installing the summary report module via the App Shop. Once installed, head over to the Reports and Summary Report tabs. Here, you'll gain access to detailed sales summary reports seamlessly generated from data sourced from an external system integrated into your website. Dive into the user-friendly interface, presenting sales summary reports in a tabular format. Gain valuable insights as the report showcases essential columns derived from the external system. Effortlessly filter summary report data based on order ID or specific date ranges. Utilize the intuitive drop-down calendar to tailor your reports, focusing on specific periods or transactions relevant to your analysis. Need to share or analyze your summary reports externally? Export data seamlessly to a CSV file with just a click of the Export button. For convenient management of a large number of records, customize the display of the record quantity per page. Tailor your view by selecting your preferred number from the drop-down list, ensuring a seamless and efficient data management experience. Thanks for joining us and unlocking the potential of managing summary reports for informed decision-making. Stay tuned for more useful tips and insights.